Hey guys, and welcome back. So in today's video I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing these 40-inch flexible pool vacuum hoses. Alright, so right here we got our pool vacuum hoses. This comes with a durable 8-piece of 40 inches, which is 1 meter. They are durable, premium quality, flexible spiral round white pool vacuum hoses. They offer this in white and as teal. So I did purchase the white color. I do have an aqua critter that was made by Hayward. It is actually a penguin, so this was required for my penguin to continue to work. I used a different hose, but it wasn't as good as these ones. These ones here, while they're sucking, they do float up at the top, so you don't got to worry about these being tangled up. These are super durable. They are flexible. They are high density, made of high density polyethylene plastic, which is thick proof, and they are about 1 to 1.5 diameter connections that are compatible with most brands of automatic pool cleaners. Like I said, I have a Hayward pool cleaner, which is a penguin. This is required for my penguin to work, and I like the fact that you do get 8 of them, so you can see that it is connected to my filter, and I only used 5 of them. I didn't need to use all 8 of them, so it's connected to my Hayward Aqua Critter penguin. And I do have an extension that goes from the hose to the penguin itself. It is super nice. You can see that it's floating from the top. It doesn't sink in. It doesn't twist or doesn't bunch up and tangle up. So right now my penguin needs to start working. I did not have my pool clean because of my hose that I had no longer works because it got corroded in the sun. So you can see that this one here is super nice. They do give you an 8 of this in the pack, so if you have a bigger pool, these are super nice to have. This works about 90% of the pool cleaners, so if you're looking for a nice pool cleaning hose, I would highly recommend checking these ones out.